Data science in a modern enterprise increasingly requires infrastructure spread across different clouds and on-premise clusters in order to comply with data sovereignty requirements, reduce cloud cost, and future-proof infrastructure. Domino is the leading enterprise MLOps platform built for teams to create, deploy, and monitor models at scale, while allowing data scientists the flexibility to use their preferred tools, languages, and data sources. And with the introduction of Domino Nexus, you'll have a single pane of glass that lets you run data science workloads in any cluster, whether that's in different regions, clouds, or on-premise. The Nexus architecture consists of a control plane, where the Domino web interface resides, which can push compute workloads into different data planes. Nexus can host its control plane and data planes in any cloud or on-premise, anywhere you have a Kubernetes cluster. In this demo, I'll show how Domino's Nexus architecture helps protect data sovereignty and reduce cloud spend by running your data science workloads in various clusters. To develop models or perform exploratory analysis, data scientists use Domino workspaces. Domino has always let me choose the software environment that contains the packages and libraries I need and the IDE I like to work in. And now with Nexus, I can select hardware from any cloud service, such as GCP, Azure, AWS, and specific regions within that service, alongside on-premise infrastructure. Let's say I want to do some analysis on a dataset that can't leave West Europe for legal reasons. Domino will only allow me to use data available in that region and alert me that other data sources aren't available. Once I hit launch, Domino will prepare a container with my selected compute cluster, tools, and data within a few seconds. Now that I've finished development, I'll show you how Nexus also reduces compute spend. Machine learning workloads, especially ones that involve GPUs, are expensive. To execute a long-running model training script, I'll use Domino's batch training jobs and select an on-premise NVIDIA cluster so I'm not paying for cloud GPUs. For administrators, Domino provides a single pane of glass to all the clusters in your organization, where it's easy to check on the health of each one, configure them, control access, and see running workloads and usage summaries. Domino also supports the rest of the data science lifecycle, from hosting apps, deploying models, and integrated model monitoring, all with collaboration and reproducibility baked in. To learn more about how Nexus can accelerate your data science work and future-proof your infrastructure, check out our website at domino.ai/nexus.